As you can see today, we have a toy which is quite badly damaged. One of its hand has been removed, which although gets fit into its place but is loosely attached to it, like this. Whereas some of the front portion of its lower body has been completely damaged, although the leg can easily be placed in the groove made for them, but there is nothing to cover the front portion. So we are going to repair this, and for that we would be requiring some petroleum jelly and adhesive glue. The purpose of the glue is to fill out the cavity, but before that we are going to apply some petroleum jelly on each of the parts so that they will not get stick to each other. So the first step is to apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly on all the toy parts on which the glue has to be applied. So as you can see, a good layer of petroleum jelly is applied on all the three parts which has to be joined together. The next step in the process is to put these pieces into place, and after which we are going to fill the cavity with the glue. The first step in the process is to fill the cavity a bit with the glue. Once it solidifies, you have to properly orient the figure a bit more. This is a slow process and you have to make some modification by yourself depending on the figure that you are repairing. So the cavity has been filled with the Fevicol, and now we are going to apply a bit of that petroleum jelly on the hand as well, and then a bit of Fevicol on it, and then we are going to put it in place in its cavity, and we have to keep it overnight so that it will dry up, and the next step can be done only after this. During the time when you have left it to dry off, in some intervals use a safety pin or something like that in order for the glue to get into the deep spaces, and then refill it with some additional glue so that each and every cavity can be filled properly.